Hello guys, welcome back to Being Mrs. Fraser. We got a grocery haul for you today. It's a little different though. I decided to use the Walmart app to plan my meals. Did you know that the app could do that? It is amazing the different things that you can do with the Walmart app, and I am learning right along with you guys. So I am a Plus member. We are a family of 6, and this is a bi-weekly grocery haul. We're going to go ahead and jump into this, though, and just open up the app, scroll down to find a recipe, and here you go. It's literally that simple. They have tons of different recipe ideas that you can find. Here are some breakfast ideas. If you're needing help with anything, because I know that we all get stuck in a rut picking the same meals over and over and over again. I know, because I do the same thing. So I thought that this would be pretty helpful in picking something new and different. Not only does it give you the ideas, but it also lists every single ingredient that you need or may have, and you can just add it right to your cart. Like I said, super easy. Not only that, but it also tells you different it tells you how to cook it, so it has the recipe as well. But I just love that there are tons of different options out there for food choices. You can do a vegan, you can do Asian, Mexican, American, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, game day meal prep, winter prep, chicken meals, vegetable meals. You can even select different serving pricing. So you can, I think there's like a $5 and under, a $5 to $15, and then over $15 per serving. So, I thought these little mummy pizza wraps were super cute and such a good idea. I don't know. I was finding tons of ideas on here, and I was literally mind blown that you could even do this. If you guys didn't know that you could do this, give this video a thumbs up and then leave me a comment down below once you find your favorite recipe or a recipe that you're going to give it a try, because I want to know, because I'm going to try those recipes too. There were just so many for me to go through. I just couldn't decide. I will say though, this jambalaya shrimp taco bowl looked really good, and so I will be making that. I picked up my order. As you can see here, it tells me the different ingredients that I will need, and then I kind of just change it based on my family's needs. So like I said, we are a family of 6, me, my husband, and our 4 kiddos. We have 2 teenagers, a preteen, and a 9-year-old. So our kids can eat a lot, especially our oldest does weightlifting and softball, and then my husband works all day lifting appliances and stuff like that. And so there's just a lot. They're just hungry kids, hungry hubby, and so we eat a lot. So I was just kind of changing the amount of the ingredients that we need, and then it does have the little recipe card on there for you, and then it also recommends different things or sides that the meals could go with. So I picked the jambalaya tacos. I also picked these enchilada stuffed peppers. I thought they looked really good. I will say that I did notice, so on here it says that it has like the turkey breast lunch meat under the ingredients there. That is definitely not something that you need. So make sure when you're going through this that you are kind of double checking that the correct ingredient is on there. You actually need ground turkey for this meal. However, for us, my family, I am actually choosing to use ground beef because we like it better, to be honest. So definitely check that out. But anyway, here is kind of like how my groceries are looking. I did go through and kind of change some things, add the things that I needed to add, and we're just kind of going through and just making sure everything is correct from those recipes. And then anything I'm adding to anything that I need in addition to just the regular recipes. I think I did end up choosing one more recipe. Yes, I did. I chose a chicken pot pie recipe. And so, yeah, I'm super excited to try those 3 recipes out. I will be sharing them on my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me over there, definitely check out bean_Mrs. Fraser Frasure, Frasure. I know it's different. I caught somebody off guard at the bank yesterday with that. So anyway, I just thought it was super fun, and I really wanted to share this with you because it was brought to my attention from, I think it's Tori Flores. I don't know if you guys know her, but we follow each other over on Instagram, and she has been posting so many meals from this area, from this little listing, and I thought it was such a good idea, so we went ahead and got the groceries ordered. I will say, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys kind of how I do it on a regular basis in addition to the Walmart ideas, but you can save your little recipes. But anyway, so usually what I do, I have my notes app. My notes app literally has everything. It is like my planner in my hand. And then I just kind of plan out each and every meal for the day, for the days of the week. I do 2 weeks. Typically we have 4 leftover nights within those 2 weeks. Now, I will say that there are some days, I plan for certain meals and I just don't get to that meal, and end up either making something different, or occasionally we will just grab something, especially if it's like an on-the-go, busy type of night situation. But I was still struggling with some different ideas. So I did open up my Pinterest app and picked a couple of different things out of the Pinterest app. I ended up picking, I think I just only picked one thing out of the Pinterest app. Because I decided that I wanted to do Alfredo, and then I liked the looks of that Texas cowboy stew. It looked so good, and so we're going to go ahead and make that as well, which also, bonus, I have most of the stuff for that, so I didn't have to buy it. That is one thing I love about meal planning, is having the items and not having to purchase them.
There's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer.
Hey guys, we got a bunch of stuff. We're actually missing something. Apparently there was a huge issue at BJ's and they were kind of in a rush, kind of running late, kind of all the things. There was a medical emergency, and so they forgot one of my items, but that's okay. I can go back tonight because I did get a 50-cent off a gallon per gallon gas voucher. And so when I go to fill up the gas tank, I'll go back and get my Diet Pepsi. But anyway, we got a lot more than we have been getting. I spent about $355 between Walmart and BJ's. I will say, since I am on the subject of pop, I do not have the other 4 cases of pop that I got, which is Major Melon for the hubby. And then I love my Dr. Pepper Strawberry and Cream Zero. So good. I am on the hunt for the new coconut cream Dr. Pepper Zero. So if any of y'all see that in stores, comment the store down below so I can go to my local store and see if I can find it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and start with BJ's. I think that's probably the easiest. I did pick up some potatoes down here. We got some apples. Fred has really been loving these apples. However, I will say I ordered these and then he came home last night and was like, I don't think I can eat apples anymore because my tonsils swell up every time I eat them. So I have a feeling that he's allergic. So I bought these, but I know that my kids will eat them. They love apples. So, and then I also picked up some toothpaste and some deodorant for my kids. And then I also picked up some chicken broth. Moving over here, I picked up my favorite tortillas. These are the Carb Balance from Mission. I picked up some peanut butter. Usually we do Skippy, but I decided to change it up this time and try Jif. I picked up some Texas toast and some corn. Then, of course, milk is a staple in our household, so I picked up some milk and then some hamburger or ground beef. It's so much cheaper buying it this way at BJ's than buying it this way. One, I don't like to buy meat from Walmart. The Walmart down here has not been good to me on meat products, so I try not to buy it there a whole lot. So this is the best way to go. It is $3.89 a pound, and it's approximately a 10-pound roll. I also picked up this kielbasa. We've had these before and they are really good. And then I picked up some shredded cheddar and some shredded Mexican. I will be throwing these in the freezer. If you didn't know, cheese, stock up on your cheese and throw it in the freezer when it's on sale because it freezes really well. So that's it from BJ's. Let's go ahead and move over here from Walmart. I will start. I got this shirt for my daughter. She needed it for dance class. She needed a green shirt for dance class, so I got her this one. It was only, let's see, $5.98, and it came in a ton of different color options. And then I guess we'll just move left to right here. I picked up some frozen pie crust, some cornstarch. I'm going to be making jambalaya. One of the recipes I showed you guys had the Zatarain's jambalaya on there, so we picked up some of that. Some beef broth, chicken. Let's see, what is this? Cream of chicken condensed soup. I don't know what this is for. It must be one of the recipes. I think it's for the chicken pot pie is probably what this is for. Let's see, I got some salt and some pinto beans, and then I picked up some shredded parm, some whipping cream, rice, and some cream cheese. Let's see, I got some of our favorite jalapenos. These are our favorite. They are not too hot, but they're not hot either. They have a nice good kick to them, but they're still like tasty and edible. I picked up some Cheese Whiz to make some beer cheese pasta. Back home we have Spaghetti Works, so I use a copycat recipe that I found of theirs. I picked up some red enchilada sauce, some of these New Orleans andouille sausages. We got a couple of those. That's for the jambalaya. I picked up some Jet Dry. I need to change up my shampoo, and being a licensed hairstylist, I've actually been using Redken for years. However, I kind of want to change it up. Redken, I used to pay like $10 for the big liters, and now they're like $30 a piece. So I don't feel like paying $60 for shampoo and stuff. So, I mean, you know, aren't we all tired of paying high prices for everything? So I decided I would go ahead and give this a good try. What is it? Herbal Essence? I don't even know. I just thought the argan oil would smell good, and maybe this would be a good situation. I don't really know. So I also picked up some bow tie pasta for that beer cheese. I picked up some linguine. I got these grilled strips. We usually use the fajita ones, but I thought that these would be better. I don't know. I just thought we would give them a try. They were a little bit cheaper than the ones we normally buy. They do say fajita chicken breast strips, but I think they're probably similar to the chicken breast strips that we have that we normally get. So I also picked up some raw shrimp for the jambalaya. My husband's gonna love me because I do not do seafood and all this, so I'm a little nervous on how this is gonna go, but we'll figure it out. I got some avocados, onions, green bell peppers, red and orange bell peppers. Let's see, what is this? Oh, cilantro. Okay, you guys, tell me what you think of cilantro. I actually I cannot stand cilantro, but it's a garnish for the jambalaya, so I did pick it up. If nobody eats it, I'll give it to the guinea pigs because I know that they can have that. I picked up some romaine lettuce for the guinea pigs, some iceberg for, what did I pick this up for? Tacos, and I don't know what else. I think it was on one of my lists from the Walmart app. And then I also got some Roma tomatoes. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, because if you guys have been around and you guys have seen my videos in the past, we do a lot of our produce purchasing at the farmer's market. However, we will not be going to the farmer's market this weekend. We won't be able to go. And so I just picked up all of our produce now. Technically, too, we'll be needing a lot of this produce before even the farmer's market comes. So I don't think we're going to go this weekend. I just kind of stocked up on a lot of what we need. I think I'm missing bananas, which I can get at a later time. And then I would like some like beefsteak tomatoes, but we'll worry about that later. Let's go ahead and get all this into the fridge and freezer and put it all away. Alrighty guys, so in case you missed it, the meal ideas for the week are tacos, which are just, beef tacos. I usually use beans that I make myself, and then lettuce and cheese and tomatoes and Taco Bell sauce and tortillas. And then I also have a bigger cheese pasta that we're going to be making. I found the copycat recipe on Pinterest from Spaghetti Works. If you are an Omaha native from Nebraska, Spaghetti Works, or even like Council Bluffs area, because there are two. I miss Spaghetti Works so much. So we're gonna go ahead and make some beer cheese pasta. We'll have some burgers with homemade mac and cheese, which that stuff I already had from previous week, and so I didn't need to purchase that. I also will be making shepherd's pie, jambalaya salad, the Texas cowboy stew, Alfredo, actually chicken Alfredo. We will be having a day of breakfast. If you're new, we like to make breakfast after church on Sundays. We make a whole thing out of it. It's a whole family thing where we make ham and bacon and eggs and toast and waffles. It's like a huge spread. Usually we're eating by like 2 o'clock and it fills us up for the entire day, but I absolutely love doing that. We'll turn on some music, blast it while we're cooking, and enjoy family time together. I'm also going to be making that pot pie off of the Walmart app, and then the stuffed peppers off of the Walmart app as well. So I hope this gave you some ideas, maybe some inspiration. Again, let me know if you guys pick any meals off the Walmart app and try them. Leave them down in the comments because I want to try them too. So, like I said, we get stuck in a rut just like everybody else, and we end up eating the same things over and over again. So I hope this will help you guys, give you guys some inspiration of just trying to find something else out there. Step out of the box, whatever you may do. But anyway, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.